We're going to learn how to configure OBS Studio specifically for one thing, recording in glorious 1080p at a buttery smooth 60 frames per second. But here's the key detail. This isn't about streaming. Nope. This video is all about harnessing the power of OBS for local recording, giving you that stunning 1080p at 60 FPS video quality that'll make your content truly shine. So let's get started on this journey to elevate your recording game to a whole new level. With the scene and source set up, it's time to adjust the settings. Navigate to the Settings button on the bottom right. In the left-hand menu, select Video. Here you'll see two important fields: Base, Canvas, Resolution, and Output, Scaled Resolution. Set both of these to 1920 x 1080. This is the resolution for full HD recording. Next, find the common FPS value drop-down menu. Select 60. This sets the frame rate to 60 frames per second, ensuring a smooth, high-quality recording. After that, head over to Output in the left-hand menu. Select the output mode from Simple to Advanced. We've chosen Standard as the type because it's user-friendly, making it accessible to newcomers. It keeps things straightforward, perfect for those just starting their content creation journey. Set the recording format as MP4. MP4 is a universally supported format, making it ideal for platforms like YouTube. It ensures your videos can be played on a wide range of devices without compatibility issues. The encoder choice is a game changer. If you're fortunate enough to own an NVIDIA GPU, like the GeForce series, selecting NVINCI is a smart move. It shifts the heavy lifting of video encoding to your GPU, leaving your CPU free for other tasks. This results in smoother recordings and less strain on your system. Now, what if you don't have an NVIDIA GPU? Don't worry, OBS Studio offers a default option called X264, which uses your CPU for encoding. While it may demand more processing power and time, it's a reliable choice for those without NVIDIA GPUs. CBR is like setting your video recorder to maintain a steady and unchanging level of quality throughout your recording, just as you'd want your shower to have a constant and comfortable water temperature. Technically, it means that your video is captured and stored at the same data rate every second, ensuring a consistent level of quality regardless of the content complexity. It's like filling a bucket with water at a fixed pace, no matter how much water you actually need at any given moment. In short, CBR keeps your video quality steady and predictable, making it a reliable choice for most recording situations. The bitrate is the amount of data your video uses per second. Our recommended range of 10,000 to 20,000 balances. Quality and file size. Higher bitrates provide better quality but result in larger files. Lower bitrates save space but may compromise quality. Keyframes are essential to prevent pixelation during high-motion scenes. A keyframe interval of 2 strikes the right balance between quality and performance. Set preset to best quality. Who doesn't want maximum quality, right? However, it's worth noting that this setting can be resource intensive, so it's ideal for powerful rigs. It's like tuning your car for maximum speed, but not everyone drives a sports car. Enabling high-quality tuning enhances video quality without a significant increase in bitrate. It's like adding the final touch to your masterpiece. A two-pass approach can significantly improve video quality. The quarter resolution option may not be necessary for everyone, depending on your hardware and preferences. High profile ensures compatibility with a wide range of devices and platforms. It's a safe and versatile choice for most creators. Turning look ahead off can save processing power, making it an excellent option for those with mid-range PCs. Psycho-visual tuning is a smart addition, enhancing quality without a noticeable increase in bitrate. Think of it as adding a touch of magic to your video. Selecting the correct GPU, if you have multiple, ensures OBS knows which graphics card to utilize for encoding. For those with only one GPU, just set this to 0. Keeping B-frames at 2 is a reasonable choice for most scenarios. Additional B-frames may not provide significant benefits for everyone. Now you're ready to record. Back on the main screen, click Start Recording. When you're finished, click Stop Recording. Your video file will be saved in the location you specified in the Recording Path field under Output in the settings. And there you have it. The optimal OBS recording settings that will elevate your content to new heights. We've handed you the keys to unlock the world of stunning 1080p 60 FPS video quality. But always keep in mind, while these settings offer a fantastic starting point, it's essential to adapt them to your unique needs and hardware. You're now armed with the absolute best settings for OBS recording at 1080p with 60 FPS. Stay tuned for more exciting content on i7 Solutions, where we're all about helping you level up your tech and gaming skills.